Hi, this is Dr. Ashish Jaiswal, spine surgeon at Apollo Hospitals, Bilaspur. So today we would meet Miss Ruchi, who we had recently operated, and she will tell about her experience.
Hello everyone. I would just like to share my experience. Like when I came to visit to sir, initially I was not able to stand even for 5 minutes, and the most difficult problem I was facing is I was not able to sit because I had a severe slip disc in my L5S1. So as everyone is like scared that you have to undergo a surgery, because even with the medication I was not able to recover. So as sir suggested me that you should go with the surgery, like everyone is very scared because it's a like concern for the spine, but it's a like very genuine review from my side that it was a daycare surgery. And like the moment I was discharged from the hospital, and you won't believe that the very moment it felt like whether I have undergone a surgery or not, and the very next day I just got up from my bed and like I don't have to rest for a long time. And it's like it's been the 7 days now, and I'm here sitting in front of sir and sharing my experience. So I'm really very thankful to the doctor as well as the staff. They have given me the concern and the care and support. Because of that only I'm feeling so confident. And because I'm a working person, so I cannot take rest for a long time, so surgery was must in my case. And like this is actually a very minor surgery, but like it helps a lot, and I don't think so there's much side effects of it. You can just get up from your bed the very next day.
So interestingly, she had her brother's, she works in Bangalore, I
Yeah.
think, right? And she had her brother's marriage here, and she was suffering this. She was unable to even walk or stand. So initially what we did to get her ready for the marriage, because the next day she had to attend, so she didn't want to undergo surgery. So we did an injection, and with injection she was fine for almost like
Yeah, like I was able to stand, the inflammatory pain was reduced, but the issue was I was not able to sit at all, like not even for 5 minutes. Either I was lying on bed or standing.
Were you admitted after surgery, or you went home on the same day?
No, on the same day, like on 17th of January, I was admitted. Admitted over here, and I think by 6 o'clock I was discharged because as it was a daycare surgery.
Great. So I'm really blessed that she has a very good outcome, and it is just 7 days post surgery. And meanwhile, she has visited even to Raipur for her travel, right? Which
Yeah.
is around 150 kilometers from here.
It is. And so I was just want to add, because even my family members are saying that it doesn't seem that you have undergone through a surgery because I'm
That
so
sounds
active.
good, yeah.
Yeah, because I'm so active that no one is believing. Even the people who are coming to visit and see me, they are like, whether you have gone through a surgery or not, because I'm walking and doing everything.
So your final words for any patient who has been advised surgery or like severely troubled with slip disc, what would you suggest?
Yeah, I would say that don't be like worried that it's a surgery. And because like initially I was worried, and I took a long time to come to this decision, and I almost lost it like 1 month for that. So I think that you all can go with this surgery, and sir is excellent. So yes.
So
you should go
final
with
question from my side. You live in Bangalore, so why did you select here? Though it is your hometown, you could have gone to a bigger place.
So like even in Bilaspur also, like many people said that you are living in Bangalore, you should consult over there before going to the surgery. But it's like when first time when I met you, the way we had a conversation, because initially you never made me think about the surgery. You were saying that you will get better. So I had a trust on you. So just because of that, I just all the way from Bangalore again I came with all the pain, because I don't know, from the day one I had a trust on.
So we are happy that our services benefited you
Yeah,
and
sure.
relieved you from your pain. Thank
Yeah.
you.